Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's very short video I have 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you where to check what's the factory recommended tire size and tire pressure. This video should apply to second generation of these vehicles made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, now once you open the driver's door, each of these vehicles will have a couple of stickers. There will be one down here on the bottom and a couple of them here on the top. So you want to find the sticker, tire and loading information, and here you can see there will be separately listed front tires, rear tires and the spare tire size, dimension and recommended tire pressure. Now size wise, mine is 245 60 18s, that's for the front tires. The rear tires will be the same and the spare tire is 155 70 18. And in the column next to it you will see, okay, there's a bit of damage here to my vehicle, but this is the cold tire pressure and it's 35 psi front and rear, and the spare tire is 60 psi. And this is where you can always check what's the recommended tire size and the pressure for your vehicle. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. Very easy to find and double check, especially when you're adding air to your tires or you're in the market to buy new tires. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.